guys okay? Everybody okay?
So far,
Oh,
that I know of.
crazy. Oh, we're so lucky. This is crazy.
One second. One second.
So
That's
one
what I'm saying.
second before it happened.
If we would have been 2 seconds
Your
faster,
car.
if we would have been 2
Your car,
seconds,
wow.
He was on the other side.
we would have been on the other side of the car.
How did you
And
jump
then
it
when
over?
hit,
No, the water did.
Water.
Wow.
So I was telling your wife or sister.
Oh no, he hit. I'm just coworker.
Kelly.
So it turned us did a 180. We're facing down.
Wow, and then you.
We could see the other cars. Then it turned us around.
Oh my god.
Then we could probably see anything.
Yeah, you're covered in
we,
mud.
we could feel it going this way.
You didn't know what's going on.
We didn't know. And then I saw the waivers going. Then it, I was just praying, let's just pray. Keep us safe, and God did. And then we felt this pick us up, and then we landed right here.
Over the center.
That high, huh?
I put my wipers on. I got the one truck, and then the tow truck behind him.
You had a couple of cars.
So I
down.
flagged the first truck down. I got out, got my daughter out. He was there. So,
Thank God.
Wow, look how it came so hard that the water flooded over this. That's how you walked.
yeah.
I don't know how those cars even made it. Well, they were behind you.
They couldn't,
Wow.
Now worse, someone trapped in front of the river,
Yeah.
down there.
Yes. They'll get
Crazy.
it out. They'll still be fine.
And we are the last car.
Yes.
Crazy. Let's go. So far, nobody hurt.
Nobody got hurt.
Yeah.
I think that's probably the worst piece of there, but they're okay too.
This is just crazy.
Because remember, there's still that one car stuck in the car. Water.
Oh my goodness. I called Leo, and Leo said, yeah, Leo takes a photo.
Oh, yeah, you can take the car.
Crazy. No, our car is fine. Good thing. Did you see? It's all dirt.
It's okay, I'll see it.
Oh my God. Y how fast that water goes. You guys okay? Josephine! Josephine! What a walk. This is crazy. This is crazy.
This is crazy. I think there was some sort of fight in there, huh?
Yeah. And all the water just breaking. Oh my god. No, I don't want to go
We're
there.
not gonna go through here. They were
Oh,
safe.
husky.
If we were on that side, we would have been safe. Hello.
Fire up here,
Oh yeah.
and so everything is,
All the vegetation's all gone.
right. And so that's
What a day, huh?
it happened last July, on the July 1st.
Already?
Wow.
It didn't do quite this bad. You can see the median barrier.
It would block that off, right?
Well, it was going all around it, so when the water came down, it pushed it all out of the way. So
Wow. Yeah, the girl said that was right in front of me. She had 1 second more than she walked
well, I
away.
was sitting here whenever it came down.
Oh, you in my
You were here.
Well, I was expecting it. I didn't know if it was going to happen, but
You thought it might happen.
and I thought, well, I need to be here so I could call somebody.
Yeah, definitely. Thank God. I saw there's 2 cars that got washed. They're way down there.
Well, have you seen the drivers? Are they? I mean, are
They're in
they?
the car.
Oh, okay.
Well, I mean, it's no return, but they're in the car. But they're definitely deep in the water.
Yeah. Well, like I said, I saw it kind of roll up on there.
Yeah, that car over the side there, actually, that was a different car. It washed all over the 75.
Do you think it's gonna rain again? I mean, it could be. Oh my goodness.
You know,
It will be terrible.
usually when it does this, it clears up because it cools off.
Ah.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow it may do the same thing.
Oh my goodness.